Hello all. Today we will study about hydrated salts. So what are hydrated salts? The salts which contain few molecules of water attached to their crystal is known as water of crystallization, or they are known as hydrated salts. So water of crystallization, it is a fixed number of water molecules attached to one molecule of salt. It is a part of crystal structure of a salt. Example: copper sulfate pentahydrate. It contains 5 molecules of water, 5 molecules, fixed molecules of water attached to their crystal. So this is the 5 molecules of water is known as water of crystallization. This is copper sulfate pentahydrate. Gypsum, calcium sulfate dihydrate. It contains 2 molecules of water as water of crystallization. Calcium sulfate dihydrate, this is gypsum. Plaster of Paris, calcium sulfate hemihydrate. It contains half molecules of water as water of crystallization in its crystal. This is plaster of Paris. Iron sulfate heptahydrate. It contains 7 molecules of fixed molecules of water in their crystal structure. So this is 7 molecules of water is water of crystallization. This is iron sulfate. Sodium carbonate decahydrate, that is known as washing soda. It contains 10 molecules of water in their crystal. So this is the 10 molecules of water is water of crystallization. Since water of crystallization is not free water, so it does not wet the salt. Thus, salts containing water of crystallization appears to be perfectly dry. The water of crystallization gives the crystals of the salt their shape and in some cases imparts color to them. Let's see the action of heat on hydrated salt. When we heat the hydrated salt, it will lose water of crystallization partially, or it may undergo change in the color. So, when it is losing water of crystallization, then the salt is known as anhydrous salt. Example: hydrated copper sulfate salt is blue in color. When we heat it, it will lose water of crystallization and form anhydrous copper sulfate, which is white in color. So, this is copper sulfate pentahydrate. On heating, if we are heating this solution, so it will lose its water molecule and change into white color. So this hydrated copper sulfate is blue in color, and on heating, after losing water of crystallization, it will change into white color. Again, if we add water to this, it will change into blue color. Again, it will become copper sulfate pentahydrate. So the reaction is copper sulfate pentahydrate. On heating, it will change into anhydrous copper sulfate. Then if we again add water to anhydrous copper sulfate, it will change into copper sulfate pentahydrate. So this copper sulfate pentahydrate is a hydrated salt. It has 5 molecules of water of crystallization, and after heating it will lose the water of crystallization and form anhydrous salt. Anhydrous, it is anhydrous copper sulfate. If we again add water, it is changing into hydrated copper sulfate, means it contains again 5 molecules of water of crystallization. So hence we can say that water of crystallization is a fixed number of water molecules which is attached to the crystal. So that is also known as hydrated salts. Thank you.